Hello, I am Xiao Chen, nice to meet you all. Including salesmen, retailers, cable wholesalers, electrical engineers, scholars, welcome to learn about the products of Key Cable Company Limited. First, let us introduce the first product YJLHV, aluminum alloy conductor cross-linked polyethylene insulated PVC sheathed power cable. Name YJLHV. Number 1 aluminum alloy conductor. Number 2 conductor sheath, XLPE. Number 3 filling tensile layer. Number 4 PVC insulated sheath wire. Rated voltage, 600V/1 kV. Application, overhead cables, equipment cables, power distribution and transmission projects. This product has 3 types to choose from. Type 1, halogen-free low smoke flame retardant. Type 2, halogen-free low smoke fire resistant. Type 3, halogen-free low smoke flame retardant fire resistant. The second product, YJLHV22. Compared with the first product, YJLHV22, steel belt armored aluminum alloy power cable, adds new technical processes on the basis of YJLHV, number 5 armor, steel belt armor. Its advantages are strong mechanical protection, anti-erosion and anti-impact damage, and higher safety.